welcome back to Simmy's Kutumb. So today my friend Seema Shenoy is going to read a story for you.
Thank you, Simmy. Thank you so much. And today we are going to read a new story. And the name of the story is The Foolish Dogs. Once there was a rich shepherd. He had a large number of sheep. He trained the two fierce dogs to guard his sheep. The dogs were very loyal and worked well at keeping watch. One night the wolf saw the sheep in the pen. When he went to get the sheep, the two dogs barked loudly and chased him back into the woods. The wolf thought that he must make some plan to get the dogs away from the sheep. He thought very hard and soon got an idea. He went and tried to make friends with the dogs. He said, "Brother, I see you tied with chains and serving men. Come with me to the woods. You can roam around freely and eat anything you like." The dogs liked the idea and followed the wolf into the woods. The wolf led both the foolish dogs to his cave. There, the other wolves attacked and killed the dogs. Then all the wolves went and ate up the sheep to their heart's content. Due to their foolishness, the dogs caused a loss to their master and lost their own life. Really, so true is that. I love this story. What about you? Can you please like, share and subscribe Simmy's Kutumb? And if you want to listen to the same story, the link is in the description.
Hope you enjoyed the story today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening.